Good morning everyone, welcome back on Daily Crypto Plan. Today it's September 4, Wednesday. Nice that we have some volatility. As you can see on my screen, I have Bitcoin on daily, and at least it's not boring anymore. Morning Alexandru, morning Shogun, morning everyone. Morning Kian. Well, let's start with Bitcoin. You know that we like to do that. And you can see swing low 49, the last drop, bounce until 65, nice one. And we are close to the long relow zone now. We didn't hit long relow zone, but we are close enough. As I was saying a couple of days ago, 54 you can see here on daily, we have candle body lows. Candle body lows could be a nice location for a target or even for an entry. So I could see the market going back down there, 54, then maybe we can make a W and we can push back up to retest 60k, or we can go lower, we'll see. The idea is it's a bit too late to short here. We don't have the risk reward anymore on daily 4-hour chart. It's a bit too late to short, and it's too early to hunt long ideas here. So a swing trader, it's in a bad location here. It's ugly to take a trade here. The risk reward is just not there. Either you wait for a long reload zone to hunt a W, either you are hoping for a bounce to close to 60 so you can short again. We had the opportunity to short here, we did that. On this template you can see here we still have the hedge. So if the market is going down, this will protect our spot bags. Not on 100%, but depending how you calculate it, it's good enough. So on daily, not too many things we can say. On this template you can see it even better. We had bullish divergence, we bounced, we tried to accept we tried to accept above 60k multiple times. We accepted, we pumped back up here in the short reload zone, we touched it, and after we accept back below 60k, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 was clear that we want to retest lower. Let's wait and see what will happen. We can hope that we'll frame some setups at the rest of the week. Okay, now Ethereum on daily. I'll stay on daily until I'll look at everything, and then we'll go on swing trading part. Morning Stefan. So Ethereum similar. If you remember yesterday we said 2500, it's a support and resistance. If the market will accept below, well, we can dump, and we dumped. We made nice money even with the day trades. I'm not talking about scalps. With the scalps we made really nice money, but with the day trades, well, pretty profitable day yesterday. I could close the entire month with the profit I made yesterday, and call it a month and see you in October. Because I had some shorts on short ideas on day trading part, and also I took some scalps. Well, when you have a violent move and you have a small window of risk and you are scalping, you get a really nice risk to reward, then the profits are pretty big. So here Ethereum, well, candle body lows here. I'm still thinking that this week isn't properly retested here. So we can retest 2100, maybe even 2000, maybe even lower. Zooming out, you can see where the long reload zone is. And for the moment, I don't see any reason we cannot go there in the long reload zone. No W, nothing. Indicators, well, weak. Look at the amps here. OBV is pointing out really hard to the downside. Just look at it. So we can push lower on Ethereum. Seems like bullish posting from Vitalik wasn't enough, no? But I love the fact that a lot of Twitter people got upset when we said, well, market could go lower. We trigger them pretty ugly. Bitcoin dominance on daily. Well, I want to see some yams, and we can see some yams, but let's not forget one thing. We are in a shortly low zone indeed, but we are above 57. We are above the support and resistance level. So we can stay here. If we stay above this level, well, we can push a lot higher. If we am out and we'll accept above 57.1 here, then okay. Oh, we have a chance to see some outperforming from altcoins. Guys, we have the dump and we probably will dump a bit more, but don't get extra bearish. On higher time frame, don't get extra bearish. Try to buy the dip when you see the opportunity. It's 2024. Don't think like the public. Well, maybe this is over and we'll have to wait another 4 years. Don't be the public, please. Ethereum versus Bitcoin. Well, it's in the long reload zone and it's staying there. I don't see W's yet, so nothing I can do here. DXY bounced a couple of days from 100 level. Pretty clear and normal behavior here to bounce from a big fat round number. And total, well, total looks like Bitcoin. Total 2 looks like Ethereum. And total 3 looks like shit. No, looks normal. You can see here the downtrend channel is valid. Nothing we can say about it. Let's make it bigger. Yeah. If we'll see W's, if we'll see W's breakout and retest, we can think about something. But for the moment, you can see it's pointing to the downside. No? Lower highs, lower lows. Usual. Yes. Well, at least what I have here from Capital.com. You can see we have a double top now. Clear rejection here. We can push lower. I want to see W's here. If I'll see W's, I could think, well, was just a trap and we can push higher. But for the moment, straight down here. Let's put 4-hour chart. Now you can see the trend line. Give me an AM the other side for an LJ. But we had a clear rejection here. Tuesday, dump. Big boys are back in business, let's call it that way. And they saw the market at the top and they said, well, okay, nice, short opportunity. Let's put it back down. And they did it. They have the power to do that. Overall, Bitcoin ugly location here, not in a good location for a long, not in a good location for a short, for a swing trader. For a scalper, day trader, well, we can play around. If you have questions or you have requests, please type in the chat and I'll gladly take a look at them. Well, let's go back on a lower time frame. Well, Ethereum, you can see here I'm on 4-hour chart. Nobody can say, well, I didn't know about this trade. Well, I talked about 2 days ago in the New York live stream and I said I don't like 61.8. Even if Ethereum is weak, I want 78.6. And I got 78.6 and I played the trade, the setup, deep in profit. We can push lower, you can see the final target is here. What I did yesterday, just for you to see it, Stefan knows what usually I do when I see something like this. This is an SFU at 78.6 and you can see my small window of risk. Yeah, 3-bar fractal here, accepting back below SFU level, took this one, and the risk reward is totally different. Let me show you what I mean. Short. Yeah. Well, 14, 15, and if we'll accept lower, well, we can maximize the profit. That's when you are scalping and you get a really nice move. But let's go back on 4-hour chart and see maybe we can find something to do here on Ethereum. If the market will, we SFU this one, but was in the middle of the night, nothing we can do. Honestly, I'm looking at this SFU. If bad news will come, I'll play along at this level. If we have a long reload zone here on 4-hour chart on Ethereum, yeah, we have to admit that. Now we can see we are in the long reload zone. We bounced from the 61.8. If I'll see W's, but clear W, breakout and retest, I'll be tempted to take a long, but I don't see that for the moment. So for the moment, if you are short, Stefan and I, we said don't close everything, keep at, I don't know, at least 25%, because you don't know how low this one could go. If you are not short, well, you should wait for a long. I don't think it's a good idea to blindly long here or to short here. We are already in a long reload zone, so I don't think short here it's a good idea. At least not on a 4-hour chart. Aevo, you can see altcoins look similar. We didn't manage to get W's. We have good location. We are at 78.6, almost all of them. Yeah. We have the danger to break the structure here and push lower. We'll feel more orders for us on higher time frame, so it's not bad. Well, Bitcoin, we'll try to reach the long reload zone soon enough. Similar, AB equals CD will point out here at 54, 53. If I'll see W breakout and retest, I could play along. For the moment, ugly location to do anything. It's too early to hunt long ideas, it's too late to hunt short ideas. Yesterday, if you remember, we discussed about this 3-bar fractal, about this candle in the live stream. Yeah, and we said that look at the candle, look at the next one, and I managed to go on 1 hour and take this trade. Was a clear one, 3-bar fractal top. Yeah, market give me a lot of opportunities here to take the short, and I'm nice in profit. Made some money, that's good. Let's go back on 4-hour chart. CRV, we are long. Yeah, 4-hour daily chart, we are long. Probably the best to see this one, it's daily. Yeah, it's kind of a swing trade, it's not a day trade here. And you can see range, breakout, classic Stefan setup here. Well, we are in profit a little bit. 1% for me for this trade. Let's see what will happen. If this one will W out above my stop loss and will push higher, well, I'll be more than happy. If will stop me out, next boss. Let's go back on 4 hours. Dimension, similar, good location, but nothing more. E-Gold finally managed to SFU this low and it's in the long reload zone. Wait for a W this week or tail to the downside, needs a retest. It's a bit stronger for the moment if you compare it to the rest of the altcoins, but still an altcoin. If Bitcoin will go down, this one will follow. So don't think, well, it's different. No, it's just a bit stronger for the moment. Ethereum, we discuss it. FET, yeah, support and resistance 1.1, no. I want here below $1. AB equals CD is pointing out here at 78.6. So I will not hunt anything here. Similar here. similar. Almost all the altcoins have the same pattern. They are in the long reload zone, either at 61.8, either at 78.6. We need W's. Yeah? We need clear setups. I'm not going here and try to buy this one. I don't see the W. This one could continue lower, take the low and push lower, and then we'll do a W. So I need a clear setup for me to even think about long. Solana, well, Solana was pretty clear, you can see. Moved down, bounced back in the short reload zone, rejected, and fib pong a little bit here. Tried again, 61.8, yamming out here and down. Now, if you are thinking Solana long, okay, I'm okay with that, but you need W's. Meme coins are dying slow death. That's normal. A lot of people said, well, meme coins are still strong. Well, for the moment, you'll see, they'll die. Slow and steady, just wait, be patient, and we can buy them for almost nothing. I need a clear setup here. Solana was strong, is not strong anymore. No? So don't think, well, Solana was performing better than the rest, let's try to do something. Well, wait for a setup. Morning, Christian. Ton, as I said, I'm expecting this one to slowly bleed. In the long reload zone, maybe even lower. And when I said that, a lot of people say, well, no, we'll go to the moon. It's the strongest one. Okay, go and buy it. And wait then. I'll wait and I'll buy after that. I don't see any long setup here. You can see my house level to the downside. This is the first stop. This is the second stop below this level. So I'm not even thinking touching it. I had some attempts to long here. I bought some spot, small quantities. I still have them. They are for the long run. Plan is to keep them. But to make my average lower, I need the price to come back in the long reload zone, consolidate, and then maybe I could add even more, and I'll create a nice position. I still believe Ton could do nice things this cycle, but for the moment has to consolidate a little bit. Well, Tron was nice and clean, was strong until it wasn't. You can see the head and shoulder pattern here. Let's wait for a clear setup. Indeed, was stronger than the rest. Retested the old all-time high kind of idea, but we are not allowed to chase. We had an attempt to hunt a day trade, didn't work. Now let's wait for the long reload zone. And Doji, I have this one here just to remind me to see it every day. You can see we bought 50 cents. We managed to get 1.4, so everyone should have SHOD, free coins. It's okay to buy it at $1? I don't think so. I think the best solution is to wait in the long reload zone. I saw some developments, Doji and even Satoshi Vision. They are holding the level and they are trying to do something. Someone is buying them. You know? This one is holding here. Let's see what will happen. What is below $1, I'll buy it. I'll try to accumulate. Here, I'll try to accumulate even more if we'll accept in the long reload zone. If we'll be lucky and we'll get, I don't know, 50 cents, then okay. I see they have some strength at 50 cents. I'll buy even more than that. On the day trading part on Bitcoin, let's see. Let's go on 50-minute chart. Let's put back this chart, this trade. I don't see anything special here. You can see, I don't see a trade. You can see the market is dumping, really strong, and dead cat bouncing, yamming out, and is stepping down aggressively. If you want, you are a day trader, you are good enough to do that. Wait for a bounce and take the next yam. You can see here yams. Well, look what happened after that. here. Yams, look what happened after that. So wait for bounces here, and then you can scalp, you can day trade. You can say, well, I'll take the next yam and I'll leave with the results. But either you are capable of doing that, either stay on the sidelines, because you have to have a hard stop loss in the market and be able to respect that stop loss. If you are not able to respect the stop loss and you have the temptation to remove it, to put it against you, to put it higher, well, then don't day trade. Stay on the investment part, stay on spot, on swing trading, do something else. If you want to learn how to scalp and day trade, well, you can join us. If you already know the basics, you can join us in Capua 1, but you can join us even in Capua 2 if you know the basics already and you are a break-even trader. I don't know how many of you saw the trades from Stefan, and someone even asked in the chat, well, how you managed to frame the setup? Well, join Capua 2 and you'll learn more than that. We'll start pretty soon. Actually, if one more member will join, Capua 2 will start immediately. So we need one more member to be able to unlock that program and start the program. Yeah, we started Capua 1 already. We are in the first week. Still open for registration if you want, but not for long. Yeah, because you'll not be able to recover and to cover the ground. And no, this week, maybe next week, and then we'll close and we'll focus on trading. So here you have a clear downtrend. Wait for a bounce. Don't when you see weeks like this, when you see the market going down, don't market sell or market short. Well, no, it goes, definitely will go to 49 now. Don't do stupid things like that. Yeah. Okay, you can even, I don't know if I have this one here. Let's see. Yeah, you can even use the Holy Grail. And you can see what's happening here. Let's put 5-minute chart. Well, there you go. You think was a good idea to use Holy Grail here? You had an entry here, you had an entry here, you had an entry here. Maybe we'll give you an entry here. Stop loss above the tick line. Well, you can play around. But don't try to short when you see the market exponentially or violently down. Wait for a bounce. Wait for something. Wait for a setup. The most aggressive one now, it's Holy Grail on 5-minute chart, you can see. You have some nice entries with Holy Grail. Similar with Ethereum. Similar with Ethereum, you can see here. Now let's hide the ink and you can see. You had an entry here, well, didn't like that one. You had another one here, another one here, another one here. And even now you can get an entry. But this ugly thing looks like a Dalai Lama. So maybe this time it's better to just wait. It's up to you. Okay, so I don't see any requests. Everyone knows what to do. If you have requests, please type in the chat. Okay, let's see. On the Twitter, well, let's just say that influencers are disappointed. The market didn't do nothing different this time. Well, Miku, people will leave a like if they want to leave a like. Nice to remember them. Well, guys, if you like the content, leave a like, retweet on Twitter, or even share the video with your friends. If you don't like it, just hit that dislike button. I don't mind. Okay, so Twitter, I don't see not even the point to look at. Influencers are just disappointed at this point in time. They don't believe the market will go back down. They didn't believe, and now they are. Calendar. Well, you can see in 1 hour we have Euro news, PMI final, and then in the New York session, exports, imports, job openings, and so on. So we have high impact news in the New York session. So watch out in that environment. Especially if you are a scalper day trader on traditional market. On crypto, okay, if you can swing trade, you can even day trade. But I prefer to stay out. Even if I'm on crypto, I prefer to stay out in the news. Well, I don't see requests, so seems like if you like to trade with Holy Grail, you have the short. You can see the opportunity here. Let me show you the settings. Yeah, 10, 3, 15 and 7, or you can put 15 and 5 or 6 here. If you put 6, you'll have a smaller window of risk. Let me show you. Now you can see now the stop loss is closer to the price action and still valid. You can see valid downtrend. It's up to you. Altcoins, well, on the investment part we can buy. On the swing trading, not ready yet. On day trading, I prefer not to touch them, with small exceptions. If I see something nice, okay. Well, no requests. Let's call it a live stream. We can trade today. It's pretty safe. Stay out in the news. In the New York session, we have a dead time there, 50 minutes before, 50 minutes after the news, and then we can start trading again. If you are short with us, like we have the shorts in the market, keep some. Yeah, don't close everything, because market could push a lot higher. You can see my final target is here. In the same time, here we can bounce. Take some profit, so you'll feel good about yourself and you'll make some money, and then trail the rest. You can trail 25, you can trail more. It's totally up to you. Well, you can watch the recording, Catalin. Not a big deal. So, at the end, no requests. Okay. At the end, join Capua 1 if you want. Join Capua 2 if you are a break-even trader or you're close to that level. You know what you're doing in the market. And Stefan could teach you some scalping setups. A bit deeper than usual. Yeah, you can see a lot of market structure things in that Capua 2. If you want to be a day trader, you need honestly you need Capua 2, because there are a lot of things we are discussing there. We are going deep on the Holy Grail. I'll show you how to frame the range and play the range game even on lower time frames. Stefan will teach you a lot of setups, and will go deep in the market structure. So if you want to be a day trader, I recommend Capua 2. Day trading, in the same time, day trading is not for everyone. So don't think if you have access to a Binance account and you have some money there, you can be a day trader. You can be a day trader, but not a successful one. It's a big damn difference. Yeah. How you define if you are a successful trader? Well, show me the last 6 months, last year, if you made money day trading. If you make money day trading in the last 6 months, 1 year, and you are overall profitable, well, then okay. Well, we are short, Catalin, and you should be short. Everyone should be short, because yesterday Stefan posted, did the live stream on YouTube, post the trades in a general chat, because it was Tuesday and it's for everyone. So all of us should be short and enjoying this move to the downside. If you didn't do that, well, next bus, nothing we can do now. It's too late. Wait for the next opportunity. Okay, guys, let's call it a live stream. See you tomorrow morning with the same live stream. Or if you're a premium member, see you in the New York session. Bye bye.